Today we're bringing a little piece of Thailand straight to your kitchen. We're making the one and only Thai Tom Yam Soup, spicy, tangy, and creamy. First things first, heat up some oil in a saucepan. Not too much though, we're cooking soup, not deep frying our souls. Add your chicken and let it sizzle. Sprinkle in some black pepper for the extra oomph. Give it a stir and it's already smelling amazing. Now toss in some mushrooms. Mushrooms are like little sponges of flavor, so don't skip this step. Sauté them until they're golden and happy. Next, in go the tomatoes, sliced ginger, lemongrass, and a splash of fish sauce. Ah, the aroma. This is the moment your kitchen turns into a Thai street food stall. Now pour in some water and add the star of the show, Tom Yam Soup paste. I'm using the Blue Elephant brand because it's super good. Mix it up like you're stirring gossip at the family dinner. Add milk powder or evaporated milk. This is the part where tangy meets silky smooth and they'll live happily ever after. And there you have it, Thai Tom Yam Soup. It is spicy, creamy, and so full of flavor that your taste buds might just book a one-way ticket to Bangkok. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.